Top 5 Best Audio Mixer. The world of audio mixing is a vast and fascinating subject. The best artists in the world need the best engineers and the best mixers at their disposal to create the best possible tracks. Whether you're using a mixer for digital mixing or live sound, you'll need the best machine in your control room. To help you in your search, we are going to talk about some of the best audio mixers available today. Number 1. Mackie Pro FX12V 212 Channel Compact Mixer. Mackie mixers provide a comprehensive live sound solution with a wide range of models, each delivering unmatched sonic performance. Featuring all new Mackie Vita preamps designed specifically for live sound and the powerful new Ready FX effects engine, Pro FX delivers a no-compromise toolkit including GEQ, USB recording, playback asterisk and flexible I/O for any professional application. Number 2. Yamaha MG12XU 12-input 4-bus mixer with effects. The MG series embodies the pursuit of design excellence, and incorporates some of the same technologies developed for use in high-end professional consoles, including studio-quality preamps, powerful digital processing, and a rugged, reliable construction. The MG12XU is the 12-channel version of the series, with 6 mono XLR and 1 quarter-in hybrid inputs along with 3 stereo line inputs. For installed, recording, or live music settings, the solid construction and flexible design of these consoles lets you shape your sound with confidence, continually delivering peak performance and a level of sound quality and reliability that has made it a leader in its class. Number 3. Alto Professional Live 1202, 12-channel, 2-bus mixer. The Alto Professional Mixer equipped with the tools you need to create the perfect mix. With flexible routing options and a multitude of onboard DSP tools, Live 1202 fits the demands of nearly any live performance environment. Live 1202's high headroom results in cleaner mixes, a purer signal path, and loud, punchy audio. Record your mix directly to a Mac or PC with a single USB connection. Live 1202's built-in USB port allows engineers, producers, and performers to convert 2 channels of 24-bit audio straight to a computer. Record live performances, band practices, theater performances, speaking events, and any other live sound event onto your computer for additional editing, mixing, and post-production. Number 4. Yamaha MGP16X 16-channel mixer. The Yamaha MGP16X mixer gives you analog warmth and simplicity along with sophisticated DSP functions, all in a compact metal chassis packed with Yamaha innovation. Your signal path starts with great-sounding D-Pre Class A mic preamps, sporting an inverted Darlington circuit design. The Mixer Expressive Equalization delivers the essence of classic vintage EQs, while its intelligent one-knob compressors give you effortless dynamic control. With its priority ducker, leveler, and stereo image functions, the stereo hybrid channel offers a fresh take on sound reinforcement in the digital age. Number 5. Mackie 1202 VLZ 412 Channel Compact Mixer. The Mackie mixer features high-quality Onyx preamps in a compact mixer design with the high headroom, low-noise performance your professional applications demand. The mixer is built like a tank with a rugged solid steel chassis and high-contrast controls for discernible tactile control. With features like a dedicated control room section, it offers a step up in flexibility and performance that is suitable for your professional application.